In this How to Solve a SQL Problem tutorial, we are going to tackle a medium difficulty interview question from Meta called Acceptance Rate by Date. This is one of the popular interview problems given by Meta to test your knowledge on working with common table expressions, joins, and aggregations. This problem actually took me a good 5 or 6 minutes to come up with an ideal solution, so definitely a pretty challenging problem in my opinion. Now, let's look at the problem description. What is the overall friend acceptance rate by date? Your output should have the rate of acceptances by the date the request was sent, ordered by the earliest date to latest. Assume that each friend request starts by a user sending a friend request to another user that's logged in the table with action equals to send. If the request is accepted, the table logs action is equals to accepted. If the request is not accepted, no record of action equals to accepted is logged, and we are given a table called FB friend request. If we preview the table, from the table we have sender user ID, receiver user ID, date of request and acceptance, and action status. To solve this problem, we need to calculate the acceptance rate by comparing the number of accepted requests to the number of sent requests. However, these are in separate rows. Let's create our first CTE for send requests, and we will call the CTE request send. In this CTE, we're selecting only the rows where the action is sent. We're also renaming the date column to request_date for clarity. Next, let's create a similar CTE for accepted requests, and we will name the CTE request accepted with date column renamed as accepted date. Now we have two CTEs, one for send requests and one for accepted requests. The next step is to join these CTEs to match accepted requests with the corresponding send requests. We'll use a left join with request sent as the parent table and request accepted as the child table, and we'll match both sender ID and receiver ID as the join conditions. The reason why we need to use a left join is because we want to include all send requests, even if they weren't accepted. And from the select statement, what I am saying here is count all the send requests and accepted requests by request date. From the output, we now have the count for total send requests and total accepted requests grouped by date. And to calculate the acceptance rate, we will take total requests accepted divided by total requests sent. Review the output to make sure everything is correct. Click Check Solution. The system will mark the solution as solved. This is all for this SQL problem tutorial. Hopefully, you guys find this lesson useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more video like this. See you in the next one.